the fuck it is, my nigga. Hoodie shit, we out here, man. You know what I mean? Chicken album release party, Gemini love story. Hoodie's out here. You know what we doing, nigga, dripping. You know what I mean? Flipping, looking right. Oh, the motherfucking sound, you heard?
Yeah.
Hold up.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, messy way.
What's up, bro?
The messy way. We got that guy out here. We got gang out here. Oh, brother, what's going on? Introduce yourself. I like the drip. I like the drip. Introduce yourself. What's your name?
Neil from the Matrix, coming out here to represent Film Link Up and all the projects we got. We're using crypto to finance independent films. So come at us if you got any projects. We get you the cash, we get you the stash. We give you 95%, so just holler at me. Filmlinkup.com.
Hey, you already know, man. Shout out Messy Room TV, MR.CHICKEN, Gemini Love Story, Holy Nation. We all here, man. Let's get busy.
My bullshit, got me sitting up on the phone. On the road on some cool shit. Shady by my side, roof flips. You right here, kid. Ready for this? Shout some Speedy, baby. The crowd here called Hot Boy. Featuring Boot Baker, OJ Yappo, Mac 91. Hold on. I'm on with just a 30 plates in 30 days. In the floor with you, mama on the green plate. Where I'm from, most niggas getting the first degree. 40 with a silencer for everyone to murder me. I'm under your breath, talking crazy like a sideways. Can't tell me shit, fuck you, I did it my way. I'm singing murder and I swear you wanna try me. Double with the blood, I keep going south on the highway. Don't put a turnpike straight through the eating bag. Go to fully get a cheap stick, it's a biggie bag. Got a drop, catch a neck, for the block, hold it down. Put a staff to the chicken spot with my gritty ass. Shoot for the boom, not the one for the cat. Walking like a dog, steady speaking with my ass. Got a Fuji for the moon, little boss. I'm crying, picture been flipping the picture, evidence in the trap. Hold up. Hellcat 90 on the highway. Still the hottest all over the tri-state. Been that nigga and I did it my way. Got these bitches on my body like a prom day. We them hot boys. Let the city kicking right with niggas, shy boys. Lobby in the tunnel, I be bullying. Legendary ain't no category, they could put me in. I'm just trying to get it started if you think I'm rude. I don't wanna conversate right now, they in the mood. Got a couple war scars, like my body bruised. Now they ain't that divine dollar, see I be on cruise. Watch how you make the moves, cause there ain't nothing for you to move. I was running moves, had to run and tie my shoes up. Had to run the rules, shit, I even broke the rules. Yeah, ain't nothing against nobody, niggas go what he do. Catch me in this squad attendant, cruising on the highway. Pulling on my threes and my fours for the guys, they put the city on their back, I did it my way. They tell lies on me, speak my truth like I'm Kanye. A lot of weight up on my shoulders, a lot up on my mind, ayy. Doing this shit so long, but they say that it ain't time, ayy. And it takes some sacrifice to get that through your mind, ayy. That's just a baby, but I've been like that to grind, baby. Hellcat 90 on the highway. Still the hottest all over the tri-state. Been that nigga and I did it my way. Got these bitches on my body like a prom day. You them hot boys. Got the city kicking right with niggas, shy boys. Love me in the tunnel, I be bullying. Legendary ain't no category, they could put me in. I just got a stick, don't make me swing it with my eyes closed. I don't care who getting hit. Ain't no picking on the choosing, ducking on you shooting. Third water, general, and I do all recruiting. Hot cold, mother Russia, feeling like I'm Putin. The system bring the snitches back, let's swap them for the shooters. The type of niggas pull up, hop out, like it's Uber Eats. Mask on, trick or treat, 40 knock him out his sleep. Only saw the expression on his face, cause he ain't get to speak. This the type of shit that happen when you playing in them streets. See me, I've been focused on the G's, making sure I'm pie straight. Yeah, that bitch on the knees, making sure that I'm straight. Even though they rob, still and kill, tell them Jersey sick. I remember I ain't have a meal, was trying to crack a safe. I remember he ain't give it up, I had to crack a stick. I remember when I met the plug, since then I've been straight. Gang.
You know that. Give a fuck about that other shit.
Alright, this Messy Room TV, and I'm here with who?
What's my name? Yeah.
B.A.? What's your name?
Oh, you don't know my name?
Say your name, man.
You don't know my name.
We just met, gang.
He said we just met, gang. You gotta keep all
Look,
this
Messy
too.
Room TV, who I'm here
Look,
with.
this is real messy shit. That's why we're gonna keep it.
Super messy.
This is Warren Wint,
This your brand?
aka Mr. I Am Not a Gimmick.
Limitless
Shout out to
Society.
Limitless Society. You know what I'm saying? This is town shit, Elmont. Bigger like, you know the
You
vibes.
gotta get some demigods, some Holy Nation on.
Listen,
some-
I'm here for it.
some
I'm
messy
here for it. You already
season
started off messy. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, that's what it is. You know, messy song, yeah. Alright, so let's see what it is. What you got to say to these people? Let me holler.
I'm giving out balls, no hooks, no Kareem.
In this very moment, I'm living somebody's dreams. I come from Black L, but they so white, they kill ninjas. And if we talking Yola, we talking them hill figures, Phil shivers. From the floor I deliver, they still bitter. They thinking they the biggest, but really I'm real big. I've been dumbing since a youngin'. I'm thinking the old tigger, they apologize. Not in my eyes, you that cold nigga, do your research or get rolled on like deodorants. It's music to my ears, they get stretched like accordions. It's more to them, putting holes in them. No pity, sorry. What goes around comes around like a Diddy party. I did arrest the tribe. The final boss, I'm electrified. Go and bug me out and get the pesticide. Patrolling them, my pose exposing them. Better step aside. Or petroleum and then they petrified. Tell me who's the next alive. You was at the function, you was next to guys. Looking at a zipper, called you daddy and you let it fly. It's televised, bringing new meaning to hokey pokey. Singing on the mic and they calling it karaoke, fam. If this the business, might retire, go behind the scenes. You see the after the six like a Ponzi scheme. No matter who's saying what, they still get the streams. When I hit them with the pack, they don't get the clean. You're missing me, oh, Mr. Me.
Say no more. Hey, Papa. Can you try past the window? You trying to get the barbecue with that.
Come on, baby, you just come with me. I'ma show you what you never seen. Baby, I might lose if I stop running.
Yo, reset, turn it up, yo.
I die an OG. What? And what?
What's good? What it do? What's your name?
My name is Centra.
I can't hear you.
My name is Centra.
Centra, nice to meet you. This Messy Room TV. We here obviously.
Now I can't hear you.
You can't hear me? I said Centra, it's nice to meet you. You here with Messy Room TV. Nice to meet you.
You gotta follow me after this now.
I'm saying, you in tune with the chicken event. What's your favorite song so far?
So far, the club joint had me dancing a little. So I'm from Jersey, so you know you gotta let a little beat that makes you move.
Right.
Honestly, I want him to run it all back because you can't listen to a song one time. You gotta listen to it multiple times. And in the car, in the headphones, on your phone, on the speakers. Am I wrong?
That's a fact.
And I know everything is good when I'm with you, I feel good, so it's alright. I know everything is good when I'm with you, I'm so good. Let's just all keep seriously. I keep chasing love, don't keep seriously. I'm chasing love, don't keep seriously. Erasing, I'm chasing love, I'm chasing it. My time been wasting. I'm racing like it's so to the races. I don't wanna go back to the basics, but sometimes that's why I gotta take it.
Let me pass this. out to, listen, first of all, I ain't done.
Turn it back.
I want to give a big shout out to my heart. Hold on, my heart, Bianca. Y'all see her running around. We done manifested this shit, and this shit really working, you know what I'm saying? Hey, yo, my homeboy Mars right here, you know what I'm saying? He the one that mixed this shit and bringing this good music with me, you know what I'm saying? So I just wanted to make sure I shout out my people, you know what I'm saying? Yeah!
I ain't never fell in love like I might not find nobody like I might never find nobody. I might never find nobody like I might never find love so true. I might never find love like I might never find. I might never mind. I'm just happy you're mine. I might never mind. I'm just happy you're mine. Come here, never mind. Just tell me what's on your mind. It's okay, I know that you're stressing. Waiting on blessings and waiting on the next thing to come. Know that you're the best thing. Gotta know you're the best thing to come. You gotta chase your dreams, it's like you're wrong. I just pray, Lord, I should be your son. I know that you're the good one.